In this video, I'm going to show you how to install these side window deflectors on this Ram 1500. Let's get into it. Having the window down, just take an alcohol wipe and just clean the inside of the channel where the window goes. Do it the best you can. Then you want to let that dry. I'll do the same on the back window. Just have the window down a little bit. Just clean on the inside of that channel with an alcohol wipe. That's good. Then you want to take off this protective strip. If you need to, just get under it with a razor blade. Just slide that off. And right here, do the same. Go up top by the top corner, slide that in, and then get it lined up. And push it in. That's good. Push it back. Now we're going to close the window, turn the key back on, and leave it shut. Now we're going to do the same for the rear. Just line it up, slide it underneath, and then just pull towards the outside. Now turn the key on. You want to raise this up, and you can just pull out slightly on this, just like that. Then you want to let these sit. You don't want to roll the window down for too long. Let it sit for a little while. You can do the same on the other side.